Hello everyone, welcome to EagleEyeFX, and guys, I'm happy to come again with another episode of what has been happening. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the outcome of our weekly setups and what we were looking at, and where the trade that I shared with my students. Okay, so this was my watch list. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any time we post. So I'm going to show you the power of QM patterns on currency. So today I'm actually on currency. So this was my my watch list. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had like 7 pairs I was looking at, and this is actually what I shared with my student, and actually most of them are really played out. So let me show you that. Yeah, so this is from my student group, whereby I shared the setups. As you can see, we had CAD JPY, we were looking for a sell to the downside, we had CHF JPY, we were looking for a sell, Euro AUD, we are looking for a sell, Euro JPY, we are looking for a sell, Euro NSD, we are looking for a sell, GBP AUD, we are looking for a sell. I think there's NSD JPY that I forgot. I don't know why I didn't put it here, but it's actually part of my setup. So I want to show you the outcome of the trades. So as you can see, this was a CAD JPY. I was actually looking to sell this to the downside, and as you can see, look at that, just actually played out massively. I think almost like some 5% trade here. So you can see the QM pattern over here, high, lower lows. Then we look for that. Then let's look at another one. This was CHF JPY. We're also looking for sell, and you can see the outcome. This is it. Once we get our confirmation, we just go inside, and then this is our sell. All right. Then we have Euro AUD. This one not yet, hasn't played out yet. Then you have Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY on the 4 hours time frame. We're also looking to sell. As you can see, this is it. Look at that. Just played out, went outside the zone a little bit, but once it gave us a confirmation, then we go inside, and as you can see, it actually played out massively as well. We have Euro NSD, hasn't yet played out. Then you have this massive GBP AUD. This one we're just looking for. We're looking for buys to the upside, and as you can see, look at that. It was a massive buy to the outside, almost some 7% if I'm not wrong. Then we had this NSD JPY. There was a QM pattern down here, so this actually played out, and this was another QM pattern on top here. Then you can see that you could have actually been able to get this buy, and then once you get to this level, then we're looking for sell, and that is how it played out. So let's dive into the charts, and then we can actually practically look at these trades. So let me start with GBP AUD. As you can see, I think I took this trade, or you can see the QM pattern over here on the 2 hour time frame, or on the 1 hour time frame, or on the even on the 1 hour time frame. You can see here we had our lower low. Let me change this into a line chart. So we had this lower low, then we had this higher high. So as you can see here, we had our lower low, then we had our higher high. Once the market comes back to this level, we are looking to do what? We are looking to buy to the upside. As you can see, it actually went up around 5.96%. All right, so that's basically it. Lower low and the higher high. And as you can see over here, as the market was giving us lower low, the awesome oscillator was giving us what? Was giving us higher low. So that was a clean divergence. All right. So once the market taps at the zone over here, you're looking for a confirmation. Then once you get the confirmation, then you just enter the market, and then you just leave the market to play out, and you can see how this actually just played out. Then look at this CAD JPY. It was actually the same thing. I think from the 4 hour time frame, as you can see from the 4 hour time frame, if I change this to a line chart, you can see here we had our higher high, we had our lower low. We're waiting for the market to come and tap this level, right? Once the market came to tap this level, we wait for our confirmation, and I have a very fantastic confirmation method that I normally teach my students. Then once we get that confirmation, we enter the market, then you can see this one actually played around 4.12%. So we had GBP AUD playing around 5.9, around 6%. Then we have CAD JPY around 4%. That's almost like 10%. All right. Then we had another one here, which is a CHF JPY. So you can see CHF JPY on the 4-hour time frame. And this one, even once you go to the higher time frame, you can see that the market was on a downtrend, as it was giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So I just connected these. I connected these highs, right? I connected these lower highs, right? And then I knew that once the market comes to this level, I'm gonna wait for a reaction. And as you can see, it actually perfectly aligned with the QM pattern. You can see our higher highs, you can see our lower low. We are waiting for the market to come and tap that level. Then once the market came and tapped that level, of course, there was some sort of like a news here, there was some stop loss hands, but we were waiting for our confirmation. Then you just enter and then look at that. Played out massively around 4.13%. Then we had, I think, Euro JPY. Same thing. You can see that we had our higher highs, then we have our lower lows. Then once the market comes and taps that zone over there, all right, we just wait for our confirmation. Then you just enter and then look at that. Just played out to the downside. Then I think the last one was NSD JPY. You can see from the 2 hours time frame, or you can even use the 1 hour time frame. You can see here the market is giving us what? It's giving us lower lows, then it's giving us higher highs. So we are waiting for, these are our lower lows and our higher high. We're waiting for the market to come and tap this level. Once it's tapped this level, we are looking for our confirmation, and then we are trading to the upside. And as you can see here, once you turn to your line chart, you can see here there was another confirmation. There was an inverted head and shoulders, but we are trading a QM pattern. So once the QM pattern is confirmed, then we are entering, and you can see this one played out around 11%. Then once it got to this level over here, let me go back to the 2 hour time frame. You can see that there was also another QM here, as the market is giving us higher highs, and can you see that? Lower lows, waiting for the market to come and tap that zone. You can see the market did tap that zone. Once it tapped that level, what do? Just look for your confirmation, and then you go inside. And even if I change here, you can see that there's another QM pattern here, right? Let me show you that. You can see we had a higher high over here, then we have a what? We have a lower low. That is a break of structure, and then we have a change of character. Then what do? You wait for the market to come back to this level. You can see this particular whatever, or even this one, right? Or even this one. When the market come and tap that level, you're looking for your confirmation. So another way that you could have entered here, all right? Then you place your stop loss above there about. It actually depends. You can put it here, up here above this high, right? But once you feel maybe it's too high, you can just place it above, the shoulders over there, right? Somewhere around over there, okay? Then you can see that with that particular one, you could have actually been able to get around 5.76. So we have Euro AUD that I'm still watching out to see how it's gonna behave. We actually on the zone over here, we are looking to sell. You can see that we have our higher highs, and also we have our lower low, right? Change this into a line chart. You can see it clearly. This is a lower low, right? And that's a higher high. So once the market tap that level, we are looking for selling opportunities, which is actually exactly the same thing with Euro NSD. We have our higher highs, we have our lower lows. We are waiting to see if the market will come back all the way and come all the way to this level and tap here. Then we'll start looking for our selling opportunity. And you can see it actually aligns with this structure over here, right? You can see it actually aligns with that. It has actually tapped that high over there. So we'll be interested to look for what? We'll be interested to look for selling opportunities. So that's how simple it is, guys. How you can be able to master this thing, all right? And remember, we are looking for, when you're looking for buy, we are looking for this. We are looking for a break of structure. We are looking for a change of character. Then once the market come back over there, then this becomes our level of interest over here. Then we enter over here, then we move. So this is our what? This is our break of structure. This is our break of structure. That's our break of structure, and that's our change of character. So you can see our lower lows and our high. We wait for the market to tap that level, then we move to there. Then we look for buy. We get our confirmation. Of course, we have to look for our divergence. Then we enter. Which is the same. The opposite is true. When you're looking for selling opportunities, you want to see a break of structure, change of character. Market comes back over there. Then we are looking for what? We are looking for our confirmation. Then we sell. So you can see this is our break of structure is there, right? Then you can see our change of character over there, clearly over there. Then once the market taps this level, we look for our divergence. So remember, the divergence, it can either be a regular divergence or it can be a hidden divergence. If you want to learn all these types of divergences, guys, you can hit me up. Then you can subscribe to my VIP. Then you can get access to my course whereby I go in depth explaining the different types of divergences and how to actually use them, right? How to use them. We don't just trade QM by themselves. You can see, for example, like here, as the market was giving us the higher high, look at this. You can see the awesome oscillator is giving us a what? It's giving us a lower high. So we use that. We use our QM patterns. Then we use the divergence. These are just confluences we're adding. Of course, there is market structure, right? Or trend lines. Market structure is key. Then we look for QM pattern. Then we look for divergence. Then we get our confirmation. Then we enter the trade. So you can see that it was actually an amazing week. It's actually an amazing week. We still have 2 trades that we're still watching out to see how it's gonna play out next week. And that's basically how to trade this QM pattern, how to spot these QM patterns, and how to trade them. This is actually currencies. I'm gonna do another video also on synthetics, and to also share with you guys the progress and how it is going. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, remember to subscribe to this channel, remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime we post these videos. If you want to join my student community, you can also hit me up on Telegram. If you want to join my free Telegram group, the link is on the description below. You can get it there, and then you can take advantage of that. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.